Okay, it is now. We got 7 minutes.
Okay, this here is a scorpion pepper. This thing is hotter than a ghost chili pepper, measuring up to 2.2 million Scoville heat units. If I die, I love everyone who watches this. Okay. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. That's just a tip. Oh. Oh, crap. Ken, you better be watching this. Oh, shit. Oh.
You okay?
I'm fine. I can't. Can't talk with a thing in my mouth. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Try a piece of bread. No. Daddy's getting ice cream.
Oh God, please. Shit. Wow. It's literally burning through the ice cream.
Wouldn't a piece of bread help? No?
Oh, man.
It's supposed to last 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Really? Oh. Uh-oh.
How far are we?
I only got 4 minutes and 16
Oh, God.
seconds on mine. So, there was only 7 minutes for recording on mine.
Oh, God. Oh, fuck. Oh.
Want the rest of the pepper?
Well, when Ken does this with me. Yeah, that's right, you heard me, Ken. They're fully ground, and we'll have the full pepper together. No. This is only a sample. Oh, God.
He's doing tennis?
Oh, God.
You want Ken to do that with him?
Oh, God. It's not helping.
No?
Barely. No. Oh. For anyone watching this, I hope you're really enjoying this and laughing your ass off. Oh. God. Oh. Oh, God.
Your face is really red, son.
I would think so. Oh. Just a tip. Oh.
Just